Hello foodies, it's me Kiran from Foodistan Travel. Today I am going to show you how to make tamarind sauce and rhubarb sauce at home. It is very easy to make it, don't rush to the supermarkets. Watch this video and make your tamarind and rhubarb sauce at home. Before starting, please subscribe Foodistan Travel so that you can get notified about new recipes. First we will make rhubarb sauce. You will need 2 sticks of rhubarb, sugar, honey and some spices. Let's start working. We need to cut the rhubarb into small pieces. Now take a saucepan and add all the pieces of rhubarb. Now add 400 ml hot water and start cooking on a medium to high flame. Check the rhubarb with the spoon. If it's completely tender, then add 4 tablespoons of honey. Now add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of chili. Red chili is totally optional. Stir and check if the consistency is thickened. Remove the pot from the heat if it's completely done and allow it to cool down. Take a glass jar. You can also reuse the bottle. Always remember to note down the date of the prepared sauce so that you will be well aware about the expiry of the sauce. This sauce can be stored in a fridge for up to a month. Now fill the rhubarb sauce in the jar. Alright, so rhubarb sauce is all set to use. You can use it on salads, with sandwiches or with the barbecue. Alright, now we are going to make tamarind sauce. You will need a very simple ingredients to make delicious tamarind sauce. For tamarind sauce, you will need tamarind, date paste, cumin powder and red chili. First, with the clean hands, de-seed all the tamarind and make a paste. Now, add 5 tablespoons of date paste. Now add 2 simple spices, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon of chili. You can increase the amount of chili according to your taste. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix all the ingredients together. Take a saucepan and pour all the mixture into the pan. Stir the tamarind paste and cook until it's boiling. Now switch off the flame and remove the pot from the flame and allow the tamarind sauce to cool at room temperature. The consistency should be as thick as shown in the video. Now take a bottle or a jar, but first again write the date of manufacture or date of cooking of sauce. This sauce can last for up to a month or 2 months in the refrigerator. Now fill the sauce carefully in the jar or bottle. Here comes the tangy tamarind sauce. You can have rhubarb and tamarind sauce with any kind of snacks. Do try these recipes and make your sauces at home. If you have any question, write in the comment section below. Also share your experience about tamarind and rhubarb sauce. If you want another sauce, please write the name of the sauce and I will make it for you. Also like, share and subscribe Foodistan Travels.